I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening GarageBand on your iPhone, create a new project and pick the audio recorder or keyboard. Then import the song via the Loop browser files or drag from files into the track lane. Once imported, immediately set the region length and enable the cycle region to isolate the segment. You want a tight 30-second window, so zoom in and position the playhead where the ringtone should start. This saves time and prevents redoing edits later. Now focus on precise editing. Pinch to zoom the timeline, split the region where needed, and delete excess. Once you have the core 30 seconds, apply quick fades and adjust gain so the ringtone isn't too loud or clipping. Make sure the project's overall length is at or below 30 seconds. GarageBand won't export longer. Rename the project to a clear ringtone name so it's easy to find later. When satisfied, tap the arrow, choose My Songs. You're ready to export. To finish, press and hold the project in My Songs, tap Share, choose Ringtone, and export. GarageBand automatically converts to the correct ringtone format and offers to use it as your standard ringtone. Once exported, open Settings Sounds and Haptics Ringtone and pick your new tone. Assign it to a contact if you want. If the tone doesn't appear, make sure the clip is under 30 seconds, re-export, and restart your iPhone. Also confirm the source file wasn't DRM protected, which prevents exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.